Hi everyone, you're watching The Culture Cave and I'm here on Samami Island with Upul from Sri Lanka.
Hi, welcome.
We're at Oceana, which is an environmentally friendly car company, and we're going to be hiring an electric vehicle, and Upul is going to show us how to use it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So there is inside, there is a lock inside. Okay?
Lock inside.
Lock in the inside.
Okay.
You can open.
Yep.
This open this one like this. Okay.
Okay, it's like a space vehicle.
Now I'm going to start in the vehicle, so then you can see. Okay.
Okay.
So this is sample.
Yeah.
You can see. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. They close this door.
Yep.
So there is a lock inside. You can remove the seat.
Yeah.
Okay. So then there is a seat belt.
Yep.
We are in the seat belt.
Yep.
Okay.
How many pedals are there? How many pedals?
For 2 pedals.
Only 2 pedals.
Yes. There is a brake.
Yep.
Brake and accelerator.
Mhm.
This is accelerator. Okay. So there is a D N R.
Okay. I'll
D
come around
is
this
drive.
way.
N is neutral.
D is drive.
Drive, N neutral, and R back. Okay.
R
This
is
is side brake in like parking the car.
Like a handbrake.
Handbrake, yes. So this is you have push the brake, and there is a starting key. You have to waiting small time.
Okay.
Then you can see go. Green light is showing. Okay, now engine is starting.
Green light, and then
Yes.
the red is for the handbrake.
Handbrake,
release.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
I'll just come around the other side again. So where is the start button?
So this is now starting. Okay. Okay. So then you have to push the brake. You push the D button in
D
there.
for drive.
Yes, drive.
How did you start this engine?
Engine is now starting.
How did you do it?
Yes. Now.
Just turn the key, is it?
Yes. Yes. Now this is once time starting. This is the key.
That's all.
You have to waiting this like this. Okay.
How many seconds?
1 minute slide in there.
Push it for about 10 seconds, is it?
Second. Yes.
Push it.
Yes. Yes.
And then release.
Push. Yes.
And now it's a silent vehicle, isn't it?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so we don't know if it's running.
Yeah. So now its engine is starting. Okay.
Yeah.
So you push the D.
D for drive.
D drive, and there is a button inside this handbrake.
Okay.
There is a inside outside the handbrake.
Yeah.
You push the handbrake, this button, and up and down.
Okay.
Up and down. Then this Akai red light is not showing. Okay.
Yep.
So now you can drive. Give the accelerator, push the accelerator. Car is drive. Okay. It's in front of. Okay. Then you then you have to stop the vehicle. You push the brake and push the N button, neutral button is push, and this side brake and hand brake, it's up. Okay.
Yes.
Now engine is starting, but not the moving the vehicle. Okay.
Yeah.
Tire is locked in
So
there.
every time I touch the brake to stop the car, I must press the neutral button.
Yes.
If a driver forgets to push the neutral button, what can anything happen to the vehicle?
This brake. Okay. You
Yeah.
push the brake. If
Yeah.
you want to stop the vehicle
Yeah.
in the park,
Yes.
parking the vehicle, you have to use in the hand.
Must do handbrake and
Handbrake,
neutral.
Yes.
Is it dangerous not to use neutral?
No. This handbrake is very clearly locking the
Right.
not moving the.
It's just safety practice.
Safety,
yeah.
yes.
So if I don't use neutral, it's going to continue driving maybe.
No.
Right.
No.
Okay.
So then you have to off the
Turn the engine
turn.
off.
So
Yeah.
this is the other thing is this is right, left and right. Okay.
Left and right indicators.
Left and right. Yes. This is wiper.
Yeah.
It's wiper.
Yeah.
And you have to remove the hand. This mirror. Okay.
Say again.
You can change
Adjust
remove
it.
this one, adjustment this one. Okay.
Just adjust it.
So-
Yeah. Okay.
So I think you can start it.
I'll start it.
and-
Just some emergency questions. So how to use the horn?
There is a horn. Horn is in there.
Just push that.
Yes,
Okay.
but it's not use in
It's
the
not
people.
common,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
in an emergency. And that right triangle, that's for an emergency brake, is it?
Yes.
Emergency light on the left, is it?
Yes, yes,
That's for what situation?
yes. This is light.
Those
This is
are the lights.
in night time.
Yeah.
Using this light.
This red triangle is just for hazard warning, isn't
Yes,
it?
this is.
For a breakdown or
Yes.
something. Do these cars ever break down or not?
It's still not an issue in there because this is a new one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So other thing it is not using petrol and
Yeah.
no diesel is not using.
Yeah.
It is only charging.
Yeah.
There is a battery. It's 5 hours, 6 hours we can use in the.
Yeah.
There is a 100% battery.
Yeah.
So we can use this whole island.
Right.
Turning removing this island. We not the.
So about 6
yes,
hours worth?
6 hours.
6 hours,
Yes,
yeah.
but it's not the. All the battery is not the zero.
Right.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
fully charged.
Yeah, full charge.
Yep. And in case of emergency, just call the company.
Yes,
So
yes.
I've got insurance, of course, which is
Yes.
which is recommended. So insurance is very cheap. It's only 850 yen. So it's advised to get insurance. And in an emergency, I would just call you.
Do
Yeah.
you have any issue in the island? You have to you are using the car in the island. There is some issue. You call to this number. Then our company
Yeah.
and other vehicle come to your place and
Got it.
removing the there.
Got
Yes,
it,
yeah.
got it. That's
But
great.
it's not
Yeah.
not long issues in now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
wonderful. Thank you for this EV lesson. And you're watching the Culture Cave. Thank you, Upul.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye.